How to add friends on Mini Militia. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your militia account that you would like to add friends to, and the next thing would be tapping on friends. Is at the left hand side of your screen. And now guys, you're going to tap on add friends and then head over to the search bar and type in the username or the ID of the person you are trying to add. Now go ahead and tap on add friend, and then you'll be checking the box of the friends that you would like to add. And now tap on play custom and tap create game. Now you want to select the map, and once you are done, click on create game. Now click on the plus icon and select your friends by checking the box. Then you can click on send. Now you've sent them an invite, and all you need to do is to wait for your friend to join. And guys, this is how to add friends on Mini Militia. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.